Hi, I'm Clara. I'm one of the owners of Wood and Resin, and today we just wanted to show you how we make our earrings. We run our business out of our tiny home, which can be challenging at times, but we make it work. So there's two stages. There's stage one and stage two. Edwin does stage one and I do stage two. Stage one is when Edwin will go out, he'll find the tree that he wants to make into earrings, he'll fell it, and then he'll actually go to the mill it up.
We're surrounded by all of these dead trees from the wildfire, and they have to come down. They're hazards, and they're not actually very good lumber for making things with, but when you combine them with the resin, then it like revives them.
We use a high quality resin that takes about 3 days to cure.
So stage one is when we use the loud tools. We're in the wood shop, we're creating lots of dust, and it's exciting because you're using the big power tools and everything like that to make these small, intricate little earrings.
So stage two is when I take the earrings, I dip them in oil and dry them. Then I'll package them and then get them ready for orders. Every pair of earrings is unique. There's no piece of wood or resin that's the same. All earrings turn out as their own unique pair, and we put our hands on all of them. We do the work from start to finish, so there's no sort of streamline or factory that makes these. It's definitely just our little duo that makes them right out of our house.